This one is called Birmingham in the color Milkshake Blonde R. But the one that I really want to discuss and compare today is one from the Cafe collection called Tea Rose. And I have Tea Rose today in Butterbeer Blonde. Let's take a look. So this is Tea Rose in the Cafe collection in Butterbeer Blonde. It's about the same length, between 14, 15 inches. The layering is just a little bit different, and I'm gonna do a side-by-side so you can get a really good look at that. Again, a 4-inch bang. I think the bangs are done very well on this one as well. This one also features a temple-to-temple extended lace front, center part. This one seems to have a little bit of a higher density, and I think that's because there's just a little bit maybe less layering in this one. And just by the look of it, this one looks to be a little bit longer compared to the Birmingham here. One thing I think you will notice when I cut to the side-by-side is the bangs are a little different. So the bangs kind of stretch out and butterfly back on the Birmingham, where not quite as evident on the Tea Rose. But if you like Tea Rose, I think Birmingham would be an excellent upgrade for you. And you notice the Butterbeer Blonde is very similar to the Milkshake, with a dark sandy blonde and then some ash platinum highlighting and a medium root. So let's go ahead and cut to our side-by-side. I will also give you an outdoor look, and then I'll return for some styling for Birmingham.